Hello everyone. Welcome. Today in additional we have in the daily newspaper on Friday, June the 10th, 2022. Six extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2-star Sudoku, 3-star Sudoku, tectonic with 4 stars. This one is interesting. Yes. Binary and the tectonic. 6 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve. These puzzles I'm not interested. And why half? Because it's too much for me. Time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. So it will be a day job for me. So half of them, 3 of them I will solve. I will solve the 3 stars Sudoku, binary, and the tectonic with 4 stars. The first one, Sudoku with 3 stars. Number 4681. Yes, 4681. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25. 3 stars has always 25 printed digits. And for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve, if it's really a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have only one, we have 2 twos, we have 3 threes, 5 fours. Wow, the 5 fours. 2 fives, 2 sixes, 2 sevens, 3 eights, and 4 nines. So the 4 and the 9s are in majority. Alright. Alright. Let me see which number can I pick. Well, it seems that I need to pick the 4 here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7. Okay, look, we have a 4 and a 7 in this row. So no 4 and a 7 in this box. The 4 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column. So no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4 in this row, so no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. Alright. Okay. Then. Yeah, still I cannot continue with the 9. Let me look for other digits. Yeah. In this column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 7. We have a 3 and a 7 in this big square, so no 3 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. The 3 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 3 in the second row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Alright. 1 to 8, 1 to 8, 1 to 8. So what are the other three missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 1 to 8, 1 to 8, 1 to 8, okay. That means we have a 2 in this last column, 2 in one of those three boxes in the column X. So in that column, the only two places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this row, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are: the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Okay. So 2 numbers left in this big square. Here we have 1 to 8, 1 to 8. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, 2, the 3, 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Oh wait. Okay, then we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So no row between, only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see here 9 in this column, so no 9 there. Here 9 in the middle column, so no 9 there. Only place left for the 9 should be here. Yeah. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 3 boxes here. An 8 in the middle row, so no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8, okay. Then. Let me see. 2. Yeah. 7. Yeah. I'm thinking. Enjoy. I see. Interesting. 1, 8, 5. 3 missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 1, 5, 8, 1, 5, 8. And look, we have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. We have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 there. So the 5 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. So 1 box left in the second row for the number 1. Alright. Then. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in the last row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. Here, 5 in this column, so no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see here 5 in this row, so no 5 there. Here 5 in the middle row, so no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 5 now. Well. Need to wait. Okay. 127, 127, 127. Okay. Yeah. I'm scanning. Yeah, 8. Well, we have a pair. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and 8. We have a 6 and 8 in the third column, so no 6 and 8 in these 3 boxes. We have a 6 and 8 in this row, so no 6 and 8 in those 3 boxes. The 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the first row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. Cannot continue with 8 now, so let me see which number. 7, yes. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this column, so no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there in this big square. So we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, 7 in that row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in the middle column, so no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 7. How about? Yeah. These 2 missing numbers. In the middle row, those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then. One of the missing number in this column is the number 5. Well, here cannot be a 5 because we have a 5 in this row. Here cannot be a 5, we have a 5 in the last row, so no 5 there. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Okay. Yeah. 1, 2, 8. How about? And 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in the second column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the second column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 1 goes there. 1 box left in the third column for number 1. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in the first column for number 7. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this row, so no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 7. 1 in the first column, 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. One box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. One box left in this big square for number 1, the 2 is missing. Then 2 missing numbers in this third row for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. The 3 goes there. Do we have all the 5s? No. One box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4, the 5 is missing. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 5. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. Well, I cannot fill this yet. The 2 and the 6 need to wait. 2 missing numbers in this row. For the numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I've eliminated the 1 and the 2, so the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes now. The 1 and the 2 are missing in this big square. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this row, last row, 1 in the row above, so in that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this column, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore, that box should be 1. And this box should be a 3. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore, that box should be a 2, and this box should be a 6. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, is this a 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars because I'm faster than 20 minutes, and for 2 stars I need 15 to 20 minutes. So it's a 2 stars puzzle, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles. The binary and the tectonic one. Until then, bye-bye for now.